Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So I'm all set up at the market. My booth is behind me. I feel a little bit of wind, so I'm a little bit nervous, but I only have one table today and we're doing a back to school day where we're handing out school supplies to the kids. So I got some markers and dry erase markers and stuff like that for the kiddos. Hopefully it'll be a good day. I'll let you know which bouquets sell first. So the farmer's market was awesome. I completely sold out. It did have some gusts of winds again. They're coming from a different direction and they blew my flowers off of my table. But I didn't let it get to me too much. I was upset for a couple of seconds and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to cut them, snip them, and put them back in the bags. My dad was actually there when they blew off. So he ran and got me more water. I always bring water, but I needed to redo like all of the $10 bags. So he ran and got me water, brought it back to me. I re-snipped and cut the flowers. I put them all in my containers and kind of wedged them in so they wouldn't blow over instead of having them nicely displayed. And I ended up selling out. And I actually could have probably sold more. I mean, you never really know. But I had at least 3 more people that came up that normally buy $20 bouquets after I was out of $20 bouquets. But then they went ahead and bought the $10 bouquets. So, and they bought, some of them bought 2 $10 bouquets to make up for it. So, I mean, I might not have sold all my $10 bouquets if I had made more $20 bouquets. And then at the very end of the market, a man came up and he said, hey, how about I just buy the rest of what you have and you can go home early, which I only had 2 $10 bouquets and a $5 one left. So I was like, that's awesome. Like, thank you very much. And he was going to take them to his girlfriend, his mom, and maybe keep the one for himself. So I thought that was really nice and really awesome. So completely sold out. And maybe he wouldn't have done that if a lot more were sitting on the table. So you never know. Maybe I just made exactly the right amount. But I think I could have probably made more $20 bouquets. But I'm out here at the, oh yeah, you probably want to know what order they sold in. So the very first one to go was number 4. Number 4. Number 5. And number 5. And then number 3. Number 3. Number 1. Number 1. And number 2. Number 2. I really liked all of the $20 ones this week. The only thing with that, like, I had sunflowers in some of them and they don't last as long. So I always tell people sunflowers don't last as long as some of the other flowers, but everybody likes sunflowers. So you can pluck it out and the zinnias and stuff should still last like ongoing into the week. But I'm out here. I was going to harvest some sunflowers before they get too bit up by bugs. And I also thought of just showing you because usually on Sundays, my flowers look the best because I haven't harvested in 2 days. So there's usually a lot more flowers than when I show you guys when I do have flowers. And we had an inch of rain. So a lot of flowers bloomed and popped. And I also wanted to update you on the Jewels of Opar. In talking to a florist, they showed me how they add them into bouquets as just a little flair. And I really liked it. So I actually used some of it in my farmer market bouquets and I'm starting to like it more. Do I need it as much as I have? Probably not. But next year I probably will do Jewels of Opar again. Just a smaller batch of them. So you can see down there the cosmos have gone hog wild. And then I have a lot of snapdragons and celosia I could pick. Sunflowers, which I'm out here ready to do. I have a lot of statice that bloomed. It's really pretty. I'm loving statice this year. And asters. And then there's another section of the jewels of opar. It is starting to look a lot prettier now that it's later in the season. And then of course, Amphrena. There's some dahlias sticking up over there and the amaranth behind it. And a whole little row of zinnias. It's a crazy looking dahlia. But the amaranth kind of fell down. And then there's some zinnias tucked in there too. And the tomatoes I need to get to. Well, I harvested all my sunflowers and then I harvested some frosted explosion grass. And then my dad showed up and he actually weeded some of my peonies, so that was awesome. And then Nate showed up and he emptied all of the bugs. Yay! So I got my little bouquets ready for the coffee shop tomorrow. My mini bouquets. And I'm headed in. I hope everybody enjoys this video and I hope you have a great day.